Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about essay and speech on Children's Day. So let's start. So this is the Children's Day essay for students. Children's Day in India is celebrated on 14th of November each year. It is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of India's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Children are the future of our world. The day serves as a tribute to his love and concern for young mind. It inspires children to become disciplined and hardworking. It's a time to promote the importance of education and the well-being of children. On this day, schools organize various activities and events to make children feel special. It is a reminder for adults to protect and nurture the future of our nation. Now it is a speech on Children's Day, and you start your speech like a very good morning to my respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today on this lovely morning, I, name of yours, and I'm here to deliver a short speech on Children's Day. Children's Day is observed on 14th of November every year in India since 1954. The day has been chosen in the loving memory of the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday, who was also very fond of children. Given the important role of children in shaping a nation's future, an action was decided to be taken against the injustices on children. Governments, NGOs, and schools organize various events on this day to keep students happy and remind them about their importance and what they have to do in the future. And for the society, it acts as a reminder of the importance of children in society. Thank you. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe.